You're making $100,000 a year. Sounds pretty good, right? On paper, you've got it all. Nice apartment, car, maybe even a small vacation once a year. Life seems comfortable. But then the month ends and your money just disappears. Bills are paid, a little fun money is spent, and somehow you have almost nothing left. Savings, nearly zero. Investments, forget about it. You're sitting there thinking, wait, I'm making good money. Why am I still broke? This is exactly where most people mess up. It's not about how much you make. It's about the habits that quietly steal your wealth. Today, we're going to break down 7 money habits that keep people poor, even when they earn 6 figures, and how you can start changing them immediately. My name is Nico, and I spend way too much time thinking about money habits. If you're someone who struggles to grow your wealth even though you earn a lot, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Let's start with the first habit. Even making $100,000 a year, many people still spend everything they earn. It's the classic paycheck to paycheck trap. Quick example, you make $8,333 a month. Rent is $3,000, food $1,000, entertainment $500, random purchases $500. By the end of the month, there's almost nothing left. The shocking part? Most people think they're fine because they live comfortably. But small, consistent savings can snowball into serious financial freedom over 10 to 20 years. Imagine putting just $500 a month into investments from age 25. By the time you're 65, that's nearly $1 million at a 7% annual return. The solution is simple. Pay yourself first. Move money automatically into a savings or investment account before you spend the rest. Out of sight, out of mind, but steadily growing. Many people avoid investing because they feel it's complicated or risky. They think, I'll start later. But here's the thing. Starting early is the single most powerful wealth-building move you can make. Even a small monthly contribution compounds exponentially over time. Imagine 2 people. One starts investing $500 a month at 25. The other starts $1,000 a month at 40. By retirement, the first person will likely have more, even though they contributed half as much per month because of the power of compound interest. You don't need to be a stock market genius. Simple index funds, ETFs, or long-term solid stocks are enough to get started and grow your wealth steadily. Next, overspending on status. And this is subtle but devastating. Friends get a new car, a fancy watch, or the latest gadget. Suddenly, you feel like you need the same to keep up. Income goes to looking rich instead of actually growing rich. Statistics show the average American spends 30 to 40% of their income on things that improve their appearance, not their assets. It's crazy when you think about it. Before any purchase, ask yourself, will this make me wealthier or just make me look wealthy? If it's the latter, consider walking away. Real wealth is built quietly without flashy displays. A fourth habit, no budgeting. If you don't know where your money is going, you can't fix leaks. Many high earners don't budget at all. They just spend as they go. Even a simple weekly spending sheet gives clarity. You'll be shocked when you see how much goes toward little things. $5 coffee here, $10 lunch there, $20 impulse buys. Over a month it adds up. Tracking your spending gives control and reduces unconscious leakage from your income. Emotional spending is another huge trap. Stress, boredom, even excitement can lead to impulse purchases. Take something small like coffee, $50 a day. That's $1,500 a month, $18,000 a year. Enough to fund a significant investment account or pay off debt. Before buying anything, ask yourself, do I really need this or am I just reacting emotionally? Building the habit of pausing before spending trains your brain to make wealth-building decisions. Debt is another silent killer, even at high incomes. Many 6-figure earners carry credit card balances, auto loans, or personal loans. High-interest debt eats away at your money faster than almost anything else. Example, a $20,000 credit card balance at 18% interest, if you only pay minimums, could cost 15 years and $35,000 to $40,000 in interest alone. That's money you could have invested, growing for your future. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt first. If possible, refinance to lower rates. Every dollar you save on interest is a dollar that can build your wealth. Finally, not planning for the future. Many people assume, I make good money now, I'll start saving for retirement later. But the earlier you start, the less you need to save later. Even $200 to $300 a month starting at 25 beats, $1,000 a month starting at 40, thanks to compound interest. Open a retirement account, make the contributions, and keep them consistent. Your future self will thank you. There you have it. 7 money habits that keep people poor, even when they earn $100,000. Change these habits, and your financial future can look very different. The further we go, the more interesting it gets. Stay tuned. If this video helped you spot your own money mistakes, subscribe to the channel, give a thumbs up, and leave a comment. Which habit hit closest to home for you? Remember, it's not about how much you make, it's about what you do with it. Change your habits, and you change your future.